Hello, yeah, I'm Professor Tim Collins. I'm in the Department of Geography and the Environmental and Sustainability Studies program here at the University of Utah. I'm also on the leadership team with the Wilkes Center for Climate Science and Policy. I'm so glad you're participating in this year's Wildfire Hackathon. We're looking for innovations for your teams to come up with in 5 areas. One area is prediction and forecasting. Second is risk mitigation. The third is alert systems and evacuations. A fourth is community resilience and rehabilitation. And the final area is health hazards. So we're here to provide support for you and your teams in coming up with these innovations. We're looking for solutions that are highly innovative, out-of-the-box thinking, things that could actually be put in place on the ground and transform the way we're addressing wildfire hazards in this country. And we're here to provide you with the resources you need to come up with those innovations. We've provided you with resources on the Wilkes Center webpage for the Wildfire Hackathon that provide links to important information to inform the innovations you come up with. We've also provided a Slack channel where we can answer any questions that you have in real time throughout the hackathon. So we welcome you to the kickoff at the Crocker Science Center on Friday, January 26th, where you can use any of the public spaces in the building until 10 p.m. that evening. And then after that, your teams can work together for the next 14 hours until noon on Saturday, January 27th, when the hackathon will conclude. You can submit your completed slide deck to wilkescenter@utah.edu by 12 noon on Saturday, January 27th. You can use your utah.edu email account or your Utah box account if the attachment is large. I'm really excited to see the innovations that your teams come up with. And so I really look forward to seeing the products from this hackathon. Good luck, hackers.